Top 3 food that lower sugar faster than anything else. Imagine this. A man in Lagos rushed to the hospital. His blood sugar is dangerously high. The doctor tells him, medicine is important, but your food can be even more powerful. Today on Shuaibu Health Talks, I'll share the top 3 natural foods that lower blood sugar faster than anything else. These are scientifically proven, and some are right here in our market. So without much wasting your time, let's dive into the details. 1. Bitter gourd. In northern Nigeria, many families already know this secret. Bitter gourd, also called bitter lemon, is one of the most powerful food for lowering sugar. Why? Because it contains a special compound that acts like natural insulin, helping your cell absorb sugars more effectively. Some people boil it into tea, others cook it into soup. But however you take it, bitter gourd works faster. Studies show it can significantly drop blood sugars after meal. Yes, it is bitter, but this powerful. Second is chia seed. Now let's move into something tiny but mighty. Chia seed, when you put them in water, they swell up into a gel. That gel slows down how quickly sugars enter your blood. It's like putting a traffic light on your blood sugar spike. Chia seeds are also powerful of fibers and omega-3, making them great for weight control, something that's very important for people living with diabetes. You can sprinkle them in pap, smoothie, or even your morning akamu. Just 1 teaspoon daily can make a big difference. The third, which is cinnamon, I have discussed it in one of my videos and I will still include here because it's powerful. And finally, cinnamon. The spice doesn't just make your tea smell good, it helps your body use insulin better. Cinnamon lower fasting blood sugars and improve insulin sensitivities. Imagine drinking your morning tea with a little cinnamon sprinkled in. That smell change could help control sugar levels over time in Nigeria. You can find cinnamon sticks or powders in big market, and it is easy to add to pap, oil, or even stew. Now here is a recap. Let's recap. The 3 foods that lower sugar faster than anything are: bitter gourd is natural insulin. 2. Chia seed, the sugar traffic light. And 3. Cinnamon, the sweet spice that helps insulin work better. So remember, these foods are powerful, but they work best when combined with healthy eating, exercise, and your doctor advice. If you find this video helpful, type the like button, share with a friend, and hit follow or subscribe to Shuaibu Health Talk for more life-changing health tips like this. Which of these food have you tried before? Bitter gourd, chia seed, or cinnamon? Drop your answer in the comment sections. I would love to know. So that's what I have to discuss in this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.